Hello students, let's try to understand a problem student. Okay, the problem is draw the structure of nephron and label the following on it. First one is glomerulus, Bowman capsule, renal artery, collecting duct. What happened to the glucose that entered the nephron along with the filtrate? Okay, this is the 5 mark question student. How can you answer? Okay, so first of all we are drawing the diagram student. Okay, so very complex structure is there student. This is the structure of the one nephron student. This is what you are seeing, one nephron. There are million of nephrons are present in your human kidney student. The first portion you would see afferent arterioles are there student, in which is merging into the glomerulus. Here there is the Bowman capsule are also there. You can see the yellow color student. Here the total filtration takes place student. Now the blood goes to the descending line of the loop of the this one student. This is the Henle. Okay, loop of Henle. Okay, ascending limb of the loop of Henle. Here is the vasa recta is there, then blood is going to the collecting duct. Here is the student, what is there, proximal convoluted tubules are there, and this is the collecting duct. This is what you are saying, the straight one student. This is collecting duct. So at least 4 point you have to memorize student. What the 4 point which we have to memorize student? First one, the important one is the glomerulus. The second one is Bowman capsule student. Second one is the collecting duct, also we need to have this one. Now the structure of nephron is drawn above glomerulus, that is filtered during the ultrafiltration, is actively absorbed through the proximal convoluted tubules. So this is what the function of here the glucose that is filtered during the ultrafiltration is actively absorbed through the proximal convoluted tubules. Now let us see the detail about this one. The nephron is the basic function unit of kidney, responsible for the formation of urine. It consists of the following part. First one, glomerulus, a network of the capillaries that filter blood. This is the what the glomerulus. It is the network of capillaries that filter the blood student. Bowman capsule student. Bowman capsule, a cup-shaped structure that surround the glomerulus and collect the filtrate. Okay, it is the surrounding Bowman capsule. What is cup-shaped structure student? What its function student? If you are talking about the function, it is surrounding student. What it is surrounding student? It's surrounding the glomerulus and collect the filtrate student. So this is the Bowman. Renal arteries is there student. Third part, a blood vessel that brings the blood to the kidney, that is called renal arteries. Collecting duct student. What is collecting? A tube that carries urine from the nephron to the renal pelvis. This is called collecting duct student. A tube that carries urine from the nephron to the renal pelvis student. Okay, so this is collecting fat of glucose in the nephron student. Glucose is a small molecule that is filtered by the glomerulus along with the substance such as water, salt, waste product. However, glucose is an important nutrient that the body needs to function properly. Therefore, body tries to reabsorb as much glucose as possible back in the bloodstream student. So that is what the filtration. Glucose enters the nephron along with the filtrate. Reabsorption. Most of the glucose is reabsorbed in the proximal tubules of the nephron. This is an active process that required the use of energy. Transport. Glucose is transported from the tubule back into the bloodstream by the carrier protein. Now, diabetes. If the concentration of glucose in the bloodstream is too high, the carrier protein may become the saturated and glucose may start to appear in the urine. This is a sign of diabetes and can lead to serious health problem if left untreated. In conclusion, glucose is an important nutrient that is filtered by the glomerulus and reabsorbed in the proximal tubules of the nephron. The body tries to maintain a balance of glucose in the bloodstream, and any excess glucose is filtered in the urine. So this is what the answer is, student. Please keep in mind the structure of the nephron is very important. Thank you.